Hi friends! Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents this sweet potato juice will boost your eyesight and clean your body. Sweet potatoes are often overlooked vegetable. This is unfortunate as they contain an abundance of beneficial vitamins and nutrients. They are inexpensive, always readily available, and taste great. Eating sweet potatoes can help your body control blood sugar and improve your overall health, among other benefits. Health benefits of sweet potatoes. Most people don't even know that sweet potatoes are full of vitamins C, D and E. All three are extremely important for our health. Vitamin C is great for our immune system, while vitamin D is important for proper bone growth and red blood cell development and formation. Vitamin B6, on the other hand, keeps the levels of homocysteine in our blood low. If you are wondering what that is, it's a chemical linked to heart attack and cardiovascular disorders. On the mineral side, sweet potatoes are full of potassium, magnesium, zinc, iron as well as beta-carotene. That's a real mineral powerhouse for you. The combination of these minerals can improve your health on many levels and boost your red and white blood cell production, which means better immune system and blood flow. The beta-carotene in the vegetable will boost your immune system and eyesight while fighting oxidative damage in the body. Now when buying sweet potatoes, you need to check their firmness first. They should feel firm to the touch and should be clean and smooth. That means no holes or cracks. Don't get those stored in the fridge. The cold affects the taste. You should store sweet potatoes in a dark but not overly cold spot, and they should be fresh for more than a week. The thing that puts most people off is that sweet potatoes are not prepared in the same way as regular ones. But I will show you how to add the vegetable to your diet and get all the benefits it offers. If you can believe it, you can actually choose sweet potatoes and they don't even taste bad. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 1 to 2 sweet potatoes, 1 to 2 carrots, 1 jicama, 5 to 6 celery ribs, a pinch of powdered cinnamon. Directions: not complicated at all. Simply put everything in a blender and mix for a minute. Sprinkle the cinnamon on top and enjoy this sweet and healthy drink. Drink the juice in the morning or a few times per day. You cannot overdose on it. It will, however, boost your overall health like nothing else. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.